In the multi-domain lab, we get to do some really cool hands-on learning and exercises with some advanced technology, which replicates like actual missions that could be done in the Air Force.
What we're doing inside of the MDL, we are executing our plan in which we're given a scenario where the Chinese forces have invaded the Japanese island of Hokkaido, and each of us are part of a different component, and we're all working together to drive those forces off the island.
The multi-domain lab is important for warrior ethos because it immerses cadets into the warfighting environment early on in their career. A lot of officers didn't get this experience until much later on, so we're letting them jump in and understand how the various building blocks of the U.S. military, the Joint Force, come together.
My biggest takeaways have been the importance of teamwork. We all have to work together. We each have a role we have to play. We have to execute that role to the best of our abilities, or else we can't meet those objectives.
This could be beneficial in my career because I actually am really interested in being an intel officer, and in this lab I got to replicate that as I was part of the space domain in one of our exercises, and so I had to gather intel and then give that and communicate that to the other domains that I was working with in that operation.
The multi-domain lab is all about immersing cadets and let them practice. One of my bosses likes to call it sticky learning. So when they leave here, what they have done, what they have tried out and oftentimes failed at sticks with them, and we hear them talking about it in the hallways. It's a very exciting way to educate cadets and prepare them for the future.
So it was really cool that I got to experience that and practice that for my career in the Air Force and take that with me, as well as being able to make decisions under like high stress environments and challenges that we face throughout these exercises.